Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how you can instantly earn $50 in Cash App just by playing free games. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. The first game I'll introduce to you is the game Just Play. Just Play is a loyalty program for gamers of casual mobile games. Players can earn loyalty coins for the time they spend playing games, and these coins can be redeemed for PayPal cash outs, gift cards, or donations to charities. Just Play has over 10 million satisfied players and is available on Android and iOS devices. Here are some of the features of Just Play. You'll discover a unique collection of games you won't find anywhere else. You can earn loyalty coins for the time you spend playing games. You can enjoy daily payouts every 3 hours. You can choose between PayPal cash outs, gift cards, or donations to support causes close to your heart. Their exclusive game selection ensures that you'll always be rewarded for your loyalty. Just Play is an app famous for earning money while playing games. You can download it from the Google Play Store or visit justplayapps.com for the latest version. With Just Play, you have the potential to earn anywhere from $60 to over $120 per month, depending on the amount of time you can dedicate to playing games. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll be presented with various games to start playing right away to earn money. Every game you play will earn you points, and you can even increase your earnings by taking advantage of offers such as watching videos or downloading other apps. Reading the instructions carefully for each game to ensure you receive proper credit for your time is essential. The best part is that you'll receive instant payments as soon as you complete a game and have multiple payout options. You can receive your earnings as gift cards, through various reward programs, or even as PayPal Cash, the recommended method. PayPal allows for quick and convenient transactions. Now, let me guide you on seamlessly withdrawing your earnings from PayPal to your Cash App account. Once you've cashed out your funds to your PayPal account, you can easily transfer them to your Cash App account by following this simple trick. Start by requesting a Cash App debit card from the Cash App platform, which you can use for various transactions. Then, link your Cash App debit card to your PayPal account like any regular card. By establishing this link, you can effortlessly request payouts from PayPal directly to your Cash App debit card with a single click. This method is straightforward and applicable to other apps I'll introduce in this video. It's a handy technique that ensures a smooth transfer of funds from PayPal to your Cash App account. So, if you're a gamer who loves playing casual mobile games, Just Play is a great way to earn rewards for your time and effort. You can also help make a difference in the world by donating your earnings to charities you care about. Remember, playing games is already enjoyable, so why not take advantage of an app like Just Play that pays you for your time and effort? It's a win-win situation, so go ahead and give it a try. And if you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Our last game on the list is Mistplay. Mistplay is a mobile app that allows users to earn rewards by playing games on their Android devices. It offers a collection of games from various genres, and as you play and engage with these games, you earn an in-app currency called units. The more you play and the higher your engagement with the games, the more units you can accumulate. These units can be redeemed for various rewards, including gift cards for popular platforms like Amazon, Google Play, and more. Mistplay aims to provide a platform where gamers can enjoy playing games while at the same time earning rewards for their time and dedication. Mistplay surpasses the other apps on this list in popularity and user experience, attracting a more extensive user base. It offers a wide range of games, including popular ones like State of Survival, making it appealing to different gaming preferences. You only need 50 cents to cash out from your Mistplay account, which is highly convenient. The app provides various gift card options for withdrawal, but remember to use the PayPal gift card option to transfer your earnings to your Cash App account. Here are more information about Mistplay. Mistplay offers various games across genres, including strategy, puzzle, action, and more. The game library is regularly updated with new titles, providing users with a variety of options to choose from. Mistplay incorporates an achievement system where you can earn extra units by completing specific goals or reaching milestones within games. This encourages players to explore different games and strive for in-game accomplishments. You can earn progress through different levels within the Mistplay app as you accumulate playtime and earn units. Each level offers bonuses such as increased earnings or exclusive rewards. Mistplay has a referral program that allows you to invite friends to join the app. By referring others, you can earn additional units when your friends sign up and start playing games through Mistplay. Mistplay fosters a community where users can connect, interact, and share gaming experiences. You can engage with other players, participate in discussions, and discover new games recommended by fellow Mistplay users. Mistplay emphasizes the protection of user privacy and data. The app assures users that their personal information is securely handled and not shared with third parties. It's important to note that while Mistplay offers a legitimate way to earn rewards by playing games, the earning potential may vary. The amount of time and engagement you dedicate to playing games through Mistplay will directly impact the number of units you can accumulate. It's good to remember that the availability of games and rewards may vary depending on your location, and the earning potential may differ from user to user based on gameplay activity and engagement. Earning extra money through playing games can be an exciting prospect for gaming enthusiasts. Whether through apps like Mistplay or similar platforms, these opportunities provide a chance to monetize your gaming skills and passion. By dedicating time and effort to playing games, completing tasks, and accumulating in-app currency or rewards, you can potentially earn real-world benefits such as gift cards, PayPal Cash, or other payouts. It's essential to research and choose reputable apps or platforms, consider the earning potential, and be aware of any specific requirements or terms and conditions associated with each opportunity. Remember, while earning money while playing games can be enticing, it's essential to strike a balance between enjoyment and financial goals, ensuring that gaming remains a fun and fulfilling experience. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence, turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.